In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WhatsApp app on Android. If you're new to Android or just want a quick, safe way to get WhatsApp, this guide will walk you through the simplest method using the Google Play Store. WhatsApp is a free messaging and video calling app used by over 2 billion people worldwide, and it supports one-on-one chats, voice and video calls, and group messaging all in one place. We'll use the Google Play Store because it's the recommended and safest source for Android apps. Start by opening the Play Store on your phone. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you don't see it right away, swipe up to view all your apps and look for the multicolored triangle icon labeled Play Store. Make sure you have an internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, so the download can complete smoothly. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type WhatsApp Messenger. You don't need to worry about capitalization, just spell it correctly. In the search results, look for the official listing called WhatsApp Messenger by Meta. Verifying the developer name is important because it ensures you're installing the legitimate app. The official icon is a green speech bubble with a white phone inside, and you'll typically see a very high number of downloads and reviews, another sign you're in the right place. Tap the WhatsApp Messenger result to open its app page, then tap Install. The download will begin, and you'll see a progress indicator. If you're on mobile data, you might get a quick warning about data usage. That's normal. Just be aware of your plan. The app size can vary slightly depending on your device, so give it a moment. When the installation is complete, the button will change to open, and a new WhatsApp icon will appear in your app list and usually on your home screen. Tap Open to launch WhatsApp. On first start, you'll see a welcome screen and be guided through a quick setup. You'll be asked to grant basic permissions like access to contacts for finding friends and access to media for sending photos and videos. You can choose how you want to proceed, and you can always adjust permissions later in your phone settings if needed. That's it. You've downloaded WhatsApp from the safest source, and you're ready to start messaging, making calls, and joining group conversations. If you ever need to remove or update the app, you can return to the Play Store at any time.